So, Band of Brothers and Sisters 2025 is now over. The dust has settled and we're all home safely. Now, Band of Brothers and Sisters meant different things to different people, but on a personal level, for me, it was about the huge benefits to my mental health from riding a motorbike. And if you ride a motorbike, you will understand. It was about being with like-minded people that served in the UK Armed Forces that understand what we went through when we served. It was about the camaraderie, it was about the esprit de corps. And for that, I will be eternally grateful. It was a fantastic experience. So, obviously, I couldn't film everything that was happening during the Band of Brothers and Sisters 2025. So I've asked everybody who attended if I can use some of their photographs to make one final video. So this is it. This is the Band of Brothers and Sisters 2025 video finale. So today we're visiting Dachau, the concentration camp, the memorial site near Munich, with little Jimmy and this lovely partner, Kerry. I remembered your name.
You did.
I did.
About just.
And we've caught up with Nat and Andy at Dachau.
Hello.
And then they're going. Where are you going after this?
We're going to go on to Karlsruhe, spend the night there, and then tomorrow morning we are heading straight for Reims.
Right. So, wow. We'll see you at Karlsruhe and that's it.
No, because you're going to Karlsruhe tomorrow night.
Yeah, I knew that. Right, so this is cheerio for just now.
It is.
This is what's left of the old railway line at Dachau. And this is a reconstruction of the old barracks. is Dachau Camp Road. Stretches all the way down to where the barracks were. On the right and to the left. No longer there, but you can see where the foundations were. So this is Dachau concentration camp. Again, a very sobering place to come, but again, a very important place to come, because we can't forget about what happened. We can't consign that to history and just pretend it never happened. And if we don't learn from history, we are doomed to repeat ourselves. So it's really, really important that when we come out here, this is the kind of places that we visit. And it's very, very poignant, sad. So here I am at the Dutch Marine Brotherhood clubhouse in Hilversum in Holland. Let me show you around. Okay, this is the entrance. A couple of their bikes parked. And these are the stairs, clearly marked Stairway to Heaven. They remind me of the stairs at Joanna's, and I used to get thrown down them on a regular basis. Scarn that they put on for us, very nice one.
I can do it, but then I also have to put a lot of time in it. And of course I have... oh yeah, nice. Yeah.
That's mine.
Yeah. To go to the dance. Right.
Ark Royal Black. Steiner Foreland. Now that was a deployment.
Somebody going look good. Yeah, probably. Any of you guys serving conductory? 4-5?
No, we have Frank.
So yeah, Frank, is it the same? Before with this? Yeah, that's right. Exactly. So maybe we got it from
Excellent clubhouse. Been here 16 years. Great bunch of lads. And finally, a big shout out to the person who organised Band of Brothers and Sisters 2025, and that's Fiona. A lot of the time for her, it was like herding cats. But Fiona, we are eternally grateful. You did an amazing job. We had a great time. Thank you so much.